Welcome to ODK Computer Desk Installation Guide. Please note the warm tips before installation. Let's start. Please install the footpad 8 on K and H, and install G on H with screws too. Use M to connect K and H with screws 3. Use I to connect K and H with screws 2. Pay attention to position of screw holes of I and M. Pay attention not to tighten the screws directly, and then fully tighten the screws after completing the 5R assembly. Install a P on O and N respectively, and note that the direction of the screw hole is upward. Install O and N with screws 3. Refer to the installation video or instructions for the specific position. Install L screws to the position shown in the figure, and then tighten all screws. Install the J screws too to the position shown in the video, and pay attention to the direction of the screw hole. Install E onto C with screw number 2. Fix rod F between rod J and shelf C with screws 2. Install desktop A and B onto the frame with screws 1. Install diagonal brace S. Install 3R on Q with screws number 1. Install the side pack and monitor shelf. Install USB port T with screw 7. This is the last step of assembly. There are 2 ways to install this desk. You can put the shelf on the left or right as needed.